Hello YouTube, this is I Upload Daily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Apple icon in your keyboard. So what you want to do is, first you need to have a jailbroken iOS 5.1.1 or above device. Once you've done that, you want to open up Cydia and go to Manage, and then once you're in Manage, you want to go to Sources and add Insanely I repository. So I'm going to put the repo for that in the description. But yeah, just for now. So then once you've done that, you want to go into it, and then you want to search for Itype, I think it's called. There you go, Itype Apple icon. Yep. So once you find that, you want to just select it and hit install. And then you should get a little page like this, and you want to just click confirm, and it'll be loading, and it'll go through all the usual Cydia tweak downloading stuff, and it'll reload the data, and then it'll load, and I think you have to respring. So if I have to respring, then yeah. But basically, once you've done that, you just have to go into your to test this. You have to go into your notes, and then when you're in your notes, just hold down the A on your keyboard, and you'll get up a little menu that will have a Apple logo in it. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I hope that this helped you, and I hope you'll watch all my other videos. So thanks and goodbye.